Okay. Where does Papa live?
Ganneville.
Who else lives in Ganneville?
Izzy and Siesta.
Mm-hmm. And who else?
And Uncle Paul.
Uncle Paul?
Yes.
But do you know Ganneville?
Yes. But I like Uncle Paul.
You like Uncle Paul?
Yes.
And who?
And Izzy.
And who else?
And Auntie Esther.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you love them?
I just said I love them. I said I like them.
You like them?
Yes.
Why do you like them?
Because supposed to be one. Papa's one and Papa's three. No, Papa's one and I'm three. And this is two, and this is three, and this one, and this is two.
Really?
Yeah.
And Auntie Esther, where?
Ganneville.
Ganneville?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you get to Ganneville?
You have to walk.
You have to walk?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
But that is far.
No, it's not.
You walk to Ganneville?
Yes.
You don't drive?
No.
You have a car?
Yes, my daddy have a car.
Your daddy has a car?
Yes.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
Because Uncle Paul sings.
he sings?
Yes.
Okay.
He knows how to sing, and Papa he jumped everywhere.
He jumps everywhere?
Yeah, just like me and Derek.
I see. Wow.